Welcome back. We are here right now with actually not a vendor, but a user, an end user of products. We're in the booth of Gore, and you'll see why in just a moment. I'm here with Jerry Bartlett, who has a facility in Seattle, and found a rather unique solution to a situation they had. Jerry, you can tell us about that.
Yeah, we actually have two facilities, one south of Seattle that was a smaller Gore cover facility, and we needed to expand, so we decided to go north of Seattle to get additional tonnage from areas further north. And so this was the facility. This is our latest facility that was started construction and built in 2004, so it's been operating quite a few years now. Has a capacity of 164,000 tons a year, and we're doing that. So we're very happy with the system, and look forward to using the system in other locations as well.
Now, take us through the decision process. You said this is the second facility you used this on. The first time you used it and the second time you used it, what was the bid process? What was the thought process behind going with this?
Well, the first process, I came to Europe and looked at existing facilities that were operating, that were doing the same type of feedstocks, who had been operating for over 4 or 5 years, talked to those operators, and then based upon that made the decision to build a smaller facility in the United States. And then after we had ran that for a couple of years, decided to expand to get more capacity with the same technology.
All right, and right now we're going to talk to the provider of that, one of the providers of that solution from Gore, Brian Fuchs, to talk a little bit about the technology that was actually employed.
So the technology is called the Gore cover system, which is a series of components. So the primary component is the Gore cover itself, which is a membrane laminate made from polytetrafluoroethylene. So what we do is that's a waterproof, breathable membrane which we use to treat organic material and convert it into a compost or an engineered soil. The technology itself is made from the cover. There's a series of oxygen and temperature probes connected to a data logger, which then controls an aeration system. And basically the technology works by controlling how much air is forced into the organic matter to maintain an optimal climate for the microbes to do the degradation process. And what we're able to achieve is a stabilized material in a 6 to 8 week time period while controlling odors and emissions and making a high quality product. If you look at the picture back here, it's easy to see the 8-week process where the material comes in, is mixed, goes through a grinding process, and then is placed underneath the cover in the 8-week process. So here the first phase is 4 weeks under cover, then it's moved to a second phase for 2 weeks under cover, and then a final phase 3, which is without the cover, which is used to optimize the moisture and temperature before screening and producing the final saleable product.
I see, and you can see they're very excited to take some away.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Hope this has been a good show for you, and it's gotta be nice to have the customers showing up and liking it so much that they're showing it off for you.
Yeah, we appreciate our customers traveling such a long way to help us exhibit the technology.
All right. Thank you very much, Brian. Have a good show.
Exhibit.